Hey guys, welcome back to Vicky Links. My name is Victoria. Today I am going to be showing you how to properly wash your hair with a protective style on. So I'll be showing you today how I wash my hair with a twist on. So first of all, I'm going to be using water. For my shampoo, you can use any kind of shampoo you have. I'm almost done with this one. So and then I'll be using conditioner. So first thing first, I'm going to be spraying my hair with the water. So this is to make the shampoo application easy. So this is like wetting your hair before you apply shampoo on it. The other way you can do this is to put the shampoo into your spray bottle, add little water and then spray it on your hair. You can do it that way, or you can as well do it the way I'm doing it now. So I'm going to be applying the water on my hair, and then after that I'm going to apply my shampoo. So gently I'm going to be applying it on your scalp. That is where it's dirty and that is where you want to clean. So you apply the shampoo generously on your scalp. You make sure you get to every corner because you have a style on, so you don't want to break your hair while massaging it. So you need to go very gentle, and if need be, if you feel you need to add more water to get the shampoo everywhere, you should add water to your hair. And also don't use the tip of your finger to scratch your head. Like, don't use it to massage your hair. Use the pad, that soft part of your finger, use it to massage your hair. And then after you feel that you finally massage your hair with the shampoo very well, you go to the bathroom and rinse it off. You rinse it off, and then right now I've rinsed my hair off and you can see how clear it is. So now I'll be applying my conditioner. The same way you apply your shampoo, the same way you apply your conditioner. You go gently massage your scalp and then apply on your hair also. So after I apply this, you massage very well and then you cover up for like 10-15 minutes. That was what I did here. After I massaged my hair very well, I covered it up for like 10-15 minutes and then I rinse it off with cold water. So you can actually use anything you have at home to cover your hair. It could be plastic bag like this or a shower cap. Anyone you have available, just use it and then cover just to steam to make the conditioner work on your hair. Okay, you might not be able to see that clearly, but right now my hair is so clean and soft, like so clean and soft. So to seal in the moisture that's already on my hair, so I'm going to be applying my hair growth oil on my scalp, and then I'll be sealing my hair strands with my butter mix. So that's it about the video, guys. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any video suggestion you want me to make, please let me know, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to see. So guys, thank you for watching. watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.